Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make square videos using DaVinci Resolve 21. So let's get started. I'm just going to drag and drop a clip into my timeline right here. And as you can see right now, it's in landscape form. Usually when you import media into a project in DaVinci Resolve, the project is automatically going to change its resolution to the videos or to match the videos that you've imported. If we want to make a custom timeline resolution or change it to something like a square or a vertical video, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button here at the top right of your program monitor. So this is the program monitor or like playback preview. Go ahead and click this and you're going to see a few options pop up. These are very common resolutions that you can swap between. As you can see, there's portrait mode and there's even square mode. So let's go ahead and click that. And now it's in square mode. So just to get rid of the black bars, I'm going to zoom into the video a little bit. And as you can see, my video is now perfectly in a square resolution. So this is really useful if you're working on social media posts like for Instagram, because square resolution is pretty big on Instagram and maybe other platforms as well. So you can always also set custom resolutions by clicking on custom timeline settings right here, and then inputting your custom resolution in these boxes right here. So really quick, really easy, just takes a few clicks and some familiarity. Once you get a hang of it, you won't have any issues. It's going to be like second nature. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.